This OPR driver's side door seal is for those of you that have a 1997 to 2006 TJ that are looking to do a little bit of restoration. Maybe you have a ripped or worn out seal that's letting some air, some water in. You want to replace it, but you don't want to pay those Mopar dealership prices. That's where this comes in. This is going to be a great choice for you. For all intents and purposes, this is going to be a factory seal, just doesn't have the Mopar name, and it's going to be a little bit less expensive. We're also going to talk you through the installation of this piece. That's a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches. Anybody can get this done in their driveway, no problem. But again, we'll talk a little bit more about that in just a second. So for a restoration piece, I think that this is going to be an excellent option for you. It's very fairly priced and it's going to fit great. As for construction, there's not going to be a whole lot to say about this. It is going to be a rubber piece. It has a little bit of a softer rubber on the outside. That's what's going to move and flex as you close the door and as the door moves a little bit. And then a little bit of a more rigid piece on the back. That's what's going to slide into the track and actually be a mounting point on the door itself. But as I said, if you look at your factory door seal, this is going to be pretty much the exact same thing for you. It's just going to be a little less expensive. This door seal from OPR comes in at just under $50. I think that is a very good deal for what you're going to get here. It's less than going directly to the dealership or to Mopar to get a seal, and it's going to work just as well. Now I'll have a member of the install team show you how you get this installed.
Today I'll be showing you how to install the OPR driver's side door seal. To remove our old door seal, we're going to simply pull it right out of the channel. All right, we're going to start off with the thicker end of the door seal right here and push the push pin in, and we're going to go around and seat the seal into the channel. Using your thumbs, you can just push it in and you'll feel it seat into place. And you guys want to make sure that you have this orientated the right way. Here's the corner of the door seal lined up with the corner of the door. All right, now we have this piece here that overlaps. That needs to get tucked into this hole right here. And that's gonna make sure you have a weather tight seal. All right, now once you get down to the channel on the inside of the door, our Jeep doesn't have holes for the push pins. So what we're gonna do is go through and just pop these out. And that's going to allow us to slide it into the channel. Grab yourself a pair of pliers. Might help you pull these out a little easier. That's going to wrap up our review and install of the OPR driver's side door seal. Be sure to check out more at ExtremeTerrain.com.